Good morning, everybody. Here we are on the foundation site. We are pouring the concrete this morning. Just got a little storm come through. Should be clear skies after this, and concrete's on the road. So here's the foundation. Backfill inspection's on its way. He's coming to town, get that approved. The tar's done. Foundation's looking real sweet. Real sweet. And stay tuned. We're gonna get this thing poured. All right, it's party time. Concrete is here. Yeah, I'm gonna put the cold chute on, get my concrete boots on. We're gonna rock and roll. Stay tuned. All right, guys, just hitting it with the bull float, and we'll be waiting hours to get on her. Cloud cover today. All right, my people, we're gonna lower this trowel machine into the hole. Luckily, we have the machine here. Usually, we just gotta drop them off. It's a struggle to get in with two guys, but doable. We've done it for years, but my machine's here, so that's cool. Let's hope that don't come off. We'd have to go get another one. Going nice. She's a going nice. It would. Bada boom, bada bang. She's in the pan. All right, loosen me down. Take the chains off, and we're gonna hit it with the pan. Then I'm gonna go get the dump truck, and we're gonna haul some gravel in, get this thing started, get it backfilled, and then go from there. All right, see you in a bit. All right, boys and girls, it's coming along. We have sun all right here, which it's one more hit, this part's done. Shade all there, probably 3 more hits and that's done. But with this sun, no clouds, it's only 77 out, but it sucks that moisture right out of this concrete fast, especially just in these corners, you know. So that's where we're at. There'll be a lot of saw cuts on this one to try to get it to not crack, that's for sure. Off of all these angles, you know. All right. Guys, here's some backfill gravel. Miko is got this all done. It's all finished there. He's just doing the cure and seal. Floor come out sweet, be saw cut, and that's it on that one. We'll get the rest of this backfilled. I'm gonna haul in some more gravel. We'll start this way, work our way around. That backside is gonna be the tough side. All right. My people, that's 3 loads. Pit's closed now. Not bad today. Got the floor poured, finished, sealed, and started backfilling. We'll finish backfilling tomorrow. Miko will, and I got other arrangements. I won't be on site. So yeah, this nice, made it to here so far. Sweetness. And we started watering down the floor. It's looking good. Dumping, just keep hitting that, keep it from cracking with this high heat. Got the daylight drain in right there. And yeah, this is the only tight spot on the backfill right here, you know. You get the machine right here, probably could boom over to here, and then there's gonna be a lot of hand digging there unless we could get in tight there and try to reach over there, but we don't know that yet. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and catch you on the next one.